In this video, you will learn how to make money with QuickBooks. Making money with QuickBooks primarily involves using software to provide valuable financial services. If you're skilled in bookkeeping or accounting, you can offer services such as managing client finances, tracking expenses, invoicing, or general finance reports. QuickBooks is a widely used platform for many small businesses and freelancers seeking help managing their finances. By becoming a QuickBook advisor, you can gain certification and offer consulting or training services to other businesses looking to use QuickBooks more efficiently. You can also monetize your expertise by creating online courses or tutorial videos to help you and show others how to use QuickBooks effectively. Additionally, offering bookkeeping services for clients who need ongoing financial management can provide a steady income for yourself, build a client base, and provide excellent customer service will help you grow your business and reputation over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.